Okay, so hello, this is B Sai Ashish, 159101047 registration number, and this is my video regarding my project. So currently, I'm working in a company, we're interning in a company. You could say like I'm developing a web application for them. It's a ticketing system. Now, before I tell you what I am making, let me tell you what ZenDesk is. So ZenDesk is basically a company that is that offers customer relationship management tools. So the similar companies are there like Microsoft 365. Yeah, so Microsoft 365, these are also CRM softwares, and like they help to maintain good relationships between customers and the companies. And there's also this software called Yoho ticketing system. Now, okay, Zoho, sorry, my bad. Zoho ticketing system. So Zoho, companies like Zoho and Microsoft 365 and Zendesk, these companies, what they do is they follow this customer relationship policy, and they make softwares that are useful for maintaining good relationships between the customers and the company. For example, ticketing system is the most popular example of the most popular example of the product of these companies. So like you can see here, this is what basically it does. So if any customer has a question or a query, they shoot an email to Zendesk, and Zendesk, what it does, it directs the email from the client to the company, the concerned team at the company. So what the company does is that they have a dedicated team of like you could say customer handling team, handling people. What they do is that they troubleshoot whatever issues these customers have. So Zendesk is a very important tool which is being deployed in many companies, and also Microsoft 365 and Zoho ticketing systems are used. So basically, my company Halliburton, what it does is that they told me to make like a prototype of Zendesk's ticketing system, like something which could work similar to the ticketing system of Zendesk. So this is what I have made up till now. So this is the Halliburton ticketing system, and this is a web app that tracks all the emails received and assigns them as tickets. And you can also view the attachments as well as the inline images which have been added as screenshots. So this is a pie chart that traces how many of the total tickets have been resolved and how many are pending. And okay, so for example, if I say read today's tickets, it's going to load, and we get a message here saying that we should check for new tickets if any. So today we didn't get any email as sort, and yeah, here is a link to go back to the home page, and we can all we can check for whatever messages we received today or yesterday or day before yesterday also. And there's also this option of all ticket summary in tabular list form. So this is the basically a summary of all the tickets that the company has received from different various clients. So this is a list summary, summarized list of all the emails, like all the requests that the clients have submitted, sent to the company. So you can see that's in rigs, oil rigs. Basically, Halliburton is working for a client ONGC. So what it does is that it makes sure that whatever data is there in the rigs of ONGC, that they are sent properly. So if some oil some rig is not functioning properly, or there is some well at the rig that is, or some equipment is there at the rig that is not functioning properly, those guys sent a request to Halliburton saying that, hey, this material is not working properly, please send this information to the concerned authority. So Halliburton takes this issue and it forwards it to the required team. So these, for example, not receiving rig sense data, and you know and again not receiving the data is not updating, all of these are there. And we can write here like um, okay, so this is basically issues faced. Whatever issues you have faced, you can write here, and the steps which you have taken here, we can also mention them here. So for example, security alert. Okay, if you just type here security alert, issues faced, Maybe we can write what we can write. Okay, taking long time, and steps taken, submitted the issue to the concerned security team. You can resize it if you want. Okay, if you click on submit both issues and steps, these will get added to the database. And here there is this thing called status. If it's resolved, you can change the status as pending. If it's not yet resolved, and if it's resolved, you can mark it as resolved. So it will change from pending to resolved. So this is the thing which you can do, and you also get here the date, and there is also this database here. Yeah. So yeah, this is the database which you are having here, the backend, and let's go back to the home page. Okay, apart from that, we can also view the department internal tickets, meaning if there is any incomplete work, or if there is any work that is pending, and or the persons within the department have to talk to each other, they can also do the same thing from here. So suppose this is just test features. Suppose we want to add something, a new message for the people in our department to view. We can write, yeah, we can write working on a presentation meeting at 10 p.m. say like that, and add new department internal ticket. So this will add a new internal department ticket here, and here also we can add the new issues faced, or like uh, clash of dates something, and date changed. Then we can submit both the issues and steps, and we can mark it as resolved. And yeah, so this is the initial thing, the initial peak, you could say, into this project. Other than that, I'll just make another video to show other features, and bit more into depth as what more features are there. We have mail features also in this, just like ZenDesk has. We have even have this like intra department chat facility also. And just wait for the next video, please. Thank you.